What's up guys? Another vlog, another day. So today I will teach you how to connect your DJI Action 5 Pro to the DJI Mic Mini. So first thing first, you have to turn on your camera. And then this side here, the right side, you have to slide it down. And then as you can see this sign, the setting sign, you have to press it. And then slide up a little bit, and as you can see the wireless mic, you have to press it. And then since you are going to connect only one microphone, so you have to press that TX1. Okay, so our camera now is waiting for the connection from this microphone. So all you have to do is to turn it on like that, hold it for a few seconds. Then as you can see, the light blue is blinking, and the next step is you have to press this link button like that. Then you can see the green light blinking. Now there you go, so it's already connected. Okay, so how to know that our mic is already connected? As you can see, the green light is already running. Okay, back to the main menu. Okay, like that. Okay, there you go. You can see the light, the green line. Okay, that's the sign that your microphone is already working. Okay guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell so that you will be notified by my next upload. Bye!